Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new looks are out, but one most important tipster is saying something different. And also, we are going to get a new display on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will be brighter than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So as per recent renders of Galaxy S23 lineup, we get the new looks of all three models of Galaxy S23, including S23 and S23 Plus, which shares the same back design just like the S23 Ultra. And if you look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we see the same camera lenses just like the S22 Ultra. But here's a catch. A well-known tipster, exynos, has a different thought on this. As per exynos, these new renders of Galaxy S23 Ultra are fake and not real. First, as per him, the cameras on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be bigger than what's shown in the render. As we all know, Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with 200 megapixel main shooter, so that will be the reason. Second, Galaxy S23 Ultra does not have the red laser focus IR sensor. Instead, we are getting the black one, which you cannot see in this image. Third, the curve of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is steeper than this one, and last, the antenna position is wrong. So there are a lot of mistakes in these renders, and as per looks, these look exactly like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and maybe these are the Galaxy S23 Ultra dummies. Let me know in the comments, are you guys okay with this design look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra? As you guys might know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will not going to come with 2200 nits peak brightness as per leaked before, and we are going to get the same 1750 nits peak brightness. But here's a twist. As per Ahmed, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 1750 nits peak brightness, but when you reach the highest degree level under the sunlight, the brightness of colors will be higher and clearer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, meaning Samsung is making the new display for Galaxy S23 Ultra. He also shared that the new OLED panel that Samsung launched 2 days ago will not be included in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as this new OLED panel have 2000 nits peak brightness, but this is not coming to Galaxy S23 Ultra. The new cameras on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with some special features, where we are going to get the optical image stabilization on both front and back cameras. On the back, we are going to get 200 megapixel main shooter, and on the front, only 12 megapixel. Yes, downgraded from 40 megapixel on S22 Ultra. And Samsung is also using a new protective glass for the rear sensors of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Potentially the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is much more durable than the current generation Victus Plus. As per confirmed news, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to release on 1st of Feb 2023, and pre-orders will start the same day. If you guys want to know about the confirmed price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.